Hi, good to see you again. It's truly Camelia with Say So English. And I have another idiom for you. This idiom is an everyday idiom that we use several times a day, several times a month or week. Okay? The name of this idiom is let the cat out of the bag. All right, this one's a kind of long idiom. But remember, idioms are things that mean something different from its literal meaning. Okay, so we're not really letting a cat out of the bag, but the meaning of let the cat out of the bag is to tell a secret, okay? Or to let someone know information that no one else wanted to know, okay? That to let other people know information that shouldn't have been known, okay? So, for example, for an example sentence, we had a party planned for Mr. Smith, but Sarah let the cat out of the bag. So, meaning we had a private party or a surprise party for Mr. Smith. We were planning a surprise party for Mr. Smith, but Sarah let the cat out of the bag, meaning Sarah told the secret. Okay? So, hopefully you understand that. If you have any questions, please let me know below. Let the cat out of the bag is a very common idiom used in everyday English conversation, okay? Especially in America. All right? And if you have any other idioms that you want to know, just let me know down in the comments. All right? And I hope to see you soon. Please remember to like and share the videos. Also to subscribe to the channel for more lessons in idioms. I do idioms. I'm going to start doing pronunciation because I am an accent coach as well. So we'll start working on pronunciation. We're going to do English grammar. We'll also do meanings of words, business idioms. We're going to do it all here on this channel, okay? So make sure you stay tuned. See you later. Bye-bye.